Hello guys, again welcome back onto my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Back in business again. It's been a while. I've not been on Truckers Lifestyle with the trucking. I've been concentrating mostly on the Dakar rally, which was in Saudi Arabia, and posted most of the videos that I could post. I hope you liked it, guys. For those who really love motorsports, I've got a baby lorry and I'm doing one job tonight, so I'm just going to do my checks quickly as we go along, and then we get our trailer. Right guys, it's a bit windy. We're just going to do our checks quickly as we go. It's so windy and it's raining, so I'm going to check that. Check the tires. Lines are there. Give it a quick check. Airbags is okay. Let's see what's on this side. That's pretty much okay. No problem. Nice okay. So let's go get our trailer, guys. It's pissing out here. It's windy, so I don't want to get wet and I don't want to get cold. Right, guys. Right, guys. We're going to do our checks now. It's a bit windy. We need to do it quick and fast and get out because it's so windy, guys. First thing first, always dog pin. Put the dog pin first in. I'll put on my gloves. Let's done this. It's what I don't normally like because my fingers get dirty before I even put on the gloves. Now we're going to do the lines. Guys, lines done. All done. We're going to do the legs. Going to do the legs next. Guys, legs done, sorted. Release handbrake. Release handbrake. Right, lights are working at the top. No, they're not working. Let's turn the lights on and see why there's no lights in the back. No marker lights working. Maybe I didn't turn on the ignition. Let's check. It's better to be safe. Yeah, let's turn it on. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Marker lights are on. That's good news. Tires here. Wheel nuts. Airbag is okay. Wheel nuts. Airbag. That's great. Wheel nuts are all okay. Tires, lovely. That's working at the top. Right, guys, ready to go. Gotta get this. Make sure that it doesn't open up. Right, guys, good to go. Let's get to the gatehouse and get clearance, and then we head. Alright. Oh, wow. This trip in. 'Cause. It's really cold, guys. There. Right. Let's get to the gatehouse and get clearance, and then we head. Oh. Wow. This trip in. It's really cold, guys. There. It's really cold, guys. There. Right. Let's get to the gatehouse and get clearance, and then we head. Oh. It's really cold, guys. Right, guys, all sorted. We're just going to the gatehouse to get the clearance, and then off we go. See you in a bit, guys. Right, guys, we're approaching the gatehouse to get clearance, and we just got one job tonight. That's it. So let's see how we get on with it. So I'll see you guys. See you in a bit, guys. Right. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new onto this channel, please kindly do subscribe, share, and like my contents. Hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. Whenever I post any videos, you can easily know that there's a video that's coming up. Today we're just doing one job, and apparently going to join the M1. It looks a bit quite busy, as you can see underneath. We're just going to go down and join the M1 South. So hopefully everything is going to be all right. It's windy out there, and it's been broadcasted that people should take care and drive, sensibly, so that nobody gets hurt. Right, guys, we're just joining the M1 now. By the looks, I think we're going to take the A14, M11, and then we proceed. But you can just feel that the wind is really blowing the truck as we are heading. It's too windy out there, guys. It is so windy. One has to be very, very careful. So hopefully, keep fingers crossed. May the Lord guide us onto this journey and take us and bring us safe. Amen. Right, guys. So now we're on the M1. If there's anything that comes up, if there's any updates, I'll give you a shout. But that's it. So just have to drive safe, get there, deliver, and come back. Right, guys, I'll give you a shout once we join the A14. Hello, guys, welcome back again onto my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Right now, approaching the M11, and I've come across a couple of signs saying that there is a delay from junction 10 to 8, 10 to 8, and 8 is where we're supposed to go off to go to Chelmsford. I'm trying to figure out how best I could go round, but all the same, it's going to get us back to the same spot. But let's see how the traffic moves, and I don't know what's really ahead of us. I've not had any traffic announcements, but so far so good. Let's see what's going on, and then I'll give you a shout as we go along. Guys, if you're new onto this channel, please kindly do subscribe, share, and like my contents. Hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. We've gone back to Truckers Lifestyle this couple of weeks that has passed. I've been dealing in the Dakar Rally, which was in Saudi Arabia, and I posted a couple of videos which I managed to post so that you guys enjoy. If you're a motorsports addict, just go to my channel and watch all the videos that I posted on motorsports for the Dakar Rally. Right, guys, it's a bit windy out there. Fully loaded with 14 tons. but you can feel that the wind is really trying to blow the truck, moving it side to side. But I'm taking it easy, trying to get there safe, deliver the cargo, and come back safe. Right, guys, I'll give you a shout once we get closer to junction 10, whereby we've got a delay from there to junction 8. I'll give you a shout and give you the update as we go along. See you in a bit, guys. Right, guys, there's a delay here, and I don't know what's really ahead. So we'll wait and see what's really going on. There's no diversion whatsoever, but I think something has just happened ahead, and there wasn't any closures. So let's just wait and see what's going on. Right, guys, I'll give you a shout once there's anything happening. I can see the traffic is moving a bit, but it's too windy, guys. It's very, very windy out there. As long as the traffic is moving, we might be lucky. So I don't know what's really ahead. So let's see what's ahead. I'll give you a shout as soon as there's any updates. See you in a bit, guys. Moving again. There's no signs, but apparently I think it should be something not right. Turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. Right, stopped again. Give it a what? Yeah, let's see. Guys, you can see all the way that traffic going along all that bend. At the far end, you see all the red lights there. That's the traffic that was held up. And it's coming all the way up to where we are, and there's a very big queue in the back. So you can imagine how many vehicles were stranded in that same spot. So yeah, so that's it, guys. As long as it's moving, there's no problem. It's just you have to look after one another. Don't be too close to one another, and try and be safe. But you find other people trying to rush about, trying to tailgate, and then in the end, if one just steps on a brake, puts his foot on the brake, everyone is just going to come right behind you. So you've got to alert the guys in the rear to know that you're slowing down, so that they can keep a distance. It's better keeping a distance than being sorry. Yeah, it's going to go on like this for a couple of miles until the traffic eases up. I saw that ambulance car, but I didn't see anything after that. Or maybe it just made its way, it was going somewhere else. Yeah, so it's not an accident, it's not it's people that stop over, I think, like the other car which was towing a small trailer. It has that trailer behind it covered with tarpaulin. The tarpaulin must have started getting loose, and the guy had to stop, I think, to cover the trailer properly. Right, guys, I'll see you soon. Another one parked on the side. I think this could be, the main problem. I guess maybe might have got stuck on the main road. That's also another issue. Right, so let's carry on and find out. According to the set nav, it's gone to amber. Doesn't look to be serious ahead, but we'll find out. You can't know until you get there. So traffic is flowing again, and got about 8.9 miles before we go off. So I'll give you a shout, guys, if there's any improvement of traffic. See you in a bit. Right, guys, we are in Chelmsford, just arriving in Chelmsford, and going to deliver this cargo at Aldi. It's not far from here, guys. So see you at the gatehouse, guys. I'll give you a shout once we get to the gatehouse. It's not far off. See you in a bit, guys. We are in the industrial park and getting close to Aldi, where we're going to do the delivery. Today is a bit quiet, I think, being a Sunday. That's why you see there's not much traffic. We normally park here to have a break sometimes if there's space. If not, you go to the services. But today's empty, I think, being that it's a Sunday. Right, guys, we are finally here, safe and sound, which is the most important thing, I guess, if you take it into consideration. So just gonna offload, come back, go to the services or park on the roadside, have a break, and then head back to base. Right, guys, we are approaching Aldi. Regional center, where we're going to do the delivery. So that's it, guys. At least we're here. That's gonna go straight tomorrow on the shelves of the stores, whatever is on board, so people can at least enjoy. Right, guys, we are here at the gatehouse. Just gonna check with our usual guys. They know us when we come. They're expecting us. They know each and every one of us. So that's it. Let me get my paperwork, and then we'll be assigned for a bay. Right, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to Truckers Lifestyle YouTube channel. We've just arrived at Chelmsford, and I've parked on a bay 3. Just going to go and offload, and after that go and look for a place to park, have a break, and then
and then head back. Right guys, if you're new to this channel, please kindly do subscribe, share and like my contents. Hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding truckers lifestyle. Once you hit the bell, you'll definitely get notification that whenever I post new videos. Guys, for those of you who've really kept this channel running, big up guys, I really appreciate. It's a good start for the year, and it's been moving well. This year I'd not started off any videos regarding trucks, but I posted a couple of videos for the Dakar Rally, which was in Saudi Arabia. We had fun, it was good, enjoyed it, and I've seen a couple of comments, I've seen a couple of views, I've seen a couple of likes. People really liked the content that I put down, so I appreciate it. Big up guys. I'll be posting more videos regarding motorsports all over the world, wherever I get any way of getting there, or getting videos from my friends who really pushed me with them, and yeah, which is good that we all work together to get this channel running. Right guys, I'm not going to keep you long. I'm just going to go offload, and then I'll give you a shot once I've done. Hello guys, welcome back again. Finally it's all done. Finished offloading cargo. Just going to go and have a break and then head back to base. That will be it. I'll be posting this video ASAP. I'll try and see if I can really squeeze it during my break time, but most of the time I really have little time to rest and get on with it. If I don't post it tonight, I'll post it tomorrow. So guys, thanks for being there on this channel. A big up to everyone who's really supported this channel, and if you're new guys, please subscribe onto this channel, share and like my contents, hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding truckers lifestyle. So guys, that will be it for today. Ciao for now. See you in the next one guys.